now look at the diagram. This is how the AIDS infection occurs. Look at the virus. When the virus infects the normal human cell, actually virus contain RNA, because AIDS virus, that is HIV, is the retrovirus, its genome is RNA. When it enters in the animal cell, it just releases its RNA inside the cell, and this RNA with a particular type of the process, that is reverse transcription, and taking the help of an enzyme, that is reverse transcriptase, this virus converted into the DNA. Now this is the viral DNA. And this viral DNA then incorporate with the host DNA. Our body cell, actually even our body cell, still their body cell are not aware about this, that the viral DNA is entering, because the body cell is thinking that its own DNA, and it is producing a number of RNAs. A number of RNAs are there. With now the cell is the factory of